Therapy.
Next page.
Baba, can you read another animal? What was my pen?
Oh, there is your pen.
Oh. Baba, oh my God, Baba, no, that's old.
Okay, so what does it say? Let's read the instruction. Draw a circle around the odd one in each word. Okay, John, it says you have to encircle all the odd words.
Oh, Baba, let's read this. Let's read this. Okay, Baba.
Okay, let's read this. What? You want to do this exercise? So what does it say? Match the animal's body with its head. Okay, you can do this, I think.
Oh.
Come on. Well, this is the head of a... No, first you tell me that. This is the head of a...
Monkey.
Okay, you put it. Yeah, you already have done it, I guess. Oh, great. No, this is animal. This is the body. This is the head of a...
Monkey.
Is it monkey?
No.
Then
Camel.
camel. Okay, where is the body of the camel?
Um.
Yes, great.
Oh.
You can do this. Perfect. Okay, this is also done already. What is the head of this? The head of what is this head, John?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, where is the body of the cat?
Oh.
Can you see the body of
There.
cat? There. Okay, you match it. You connect. Yes, perfect. You do it to the rest of the heads. What is the head of? What is this head, John?
Tiger.
Tiger. And where is the body of the tiger? There. Come on. Okay, the last one. This is the head of
Horse.
horse. And where is the body of the horse? Great. You are so talented. Perfect. Okay, John, next page. We started this book only yesterday and you have done more than half of it. You are so clever, John. Come on, turn the page. Turn the page.
But this page.
Huh?
This page is awesome.
Okay, you also want to do this? What does it say, John? Let's see. Draw a circle around the odd one in each
First,
row.
let's read this. And we read this one.
Okay, but I don't understand this. Draw the circle around the odd one in each row.
Oh, I got it.
What does it say?
Oh, what's that old animals? It's old animal party. Old animal forest. Old animals.
Yeah, okay. So goat and dogs are the farm animals, but the tiger is the jungle animal. Okay.
Ah,
Yes. So what is odd animal in this row?
Is big to put cat and monkey. Oh, you what? Baba.
Okay. Oh my God, what are these? Animals and birds.
Oh, animals and birds.
Yes. You tell me. Okay, these are the species that are both bird and animal. Okay, John?
Now, pink.
Huh. Okay, so you can tell me the names of these? Come on. What is this, John? Huh? What is this? Come on, I think you know this. Eagle.
Eagle.
And this? Sparrow.
Sparrow.
And this? Owl. And this?
Bullseye.
Peacock.
Peacock.
And this?
Bird.
No. What bird is this? Pigeon.
Pigeon.
And this is?
Chicken.
Chicken. No, hen.
Hen.
And this is called crane.
Green.
It has a long neck and the long legs. Crane. What is this? You know this? Duck. And this?
Parrot.
And this?
Eagle.
No, this one.
Pigeon.
Crow.
Crow.
Yeah, it does. Cow, 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 cow. And this one is?
Zebra.
Is it zebra?
No.
Come on. It's ostrich.
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 No, John, come on. You are pronouncing it incorrect. Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Okay, let's break it. Ostrich.
Tree.
Ostrich.
Tree.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. ostrich.
Perfect. Great. Come on. Yes. Okay. Now turn the page. What does it say? Color.
Baba, now when the paint it,
What is this color, John?
what color? Red.
Red. And this?
Strawberry.
And this?
Baba, buy strawberry.
By strawberry? You want to eat strawberries? It's not the strawberry season, John. There are no strawberries in the winter season.
And then
They are only available, in the spring season. But you can eat a strawberry ice cream.
oh,
Yeah. You don't tell anybody. You don't tell anybody, but in the morning, we go to the ice cream bar and daddy will buy you an ice cream. Okay? Shh. It's between you and me, okay? No mommy. Fine? Okay? Good.
Baba,
Yeah?
Baba,
Mhm.
eat tomato in the market.
What is this?
Baba, we have tomato in the market.
Yes, tomatoes are very costly these days.
Baba,
Well, we have tomatoes in the fridge.
Baba, bring my shoe.
Bring your shoes.
And
Okay, John. Tomorrow is a color day. Okay, so
Oh.
we color all the pictures in the book. Fine.
and
Okay,
Baba,
next.
Baba,
This.
big
What is this
Baba,
color, John? What is this
big
color?
bag, a big
No. First, you tell me what is this color.
But wait, Baba. Baba, tell me this one color.
This. You told me this is red.
Baba, please make this make story color. But please read first. Let's read this. We read this book.
But we have read this already, John. This is. You told me it's a red color. Strawberry, tomato, and red color. And now you tell me what is this color.
Blue
Perfect. Blue. And this is blue color. And what is this?
dress.
No. Baby, dresses have further classifications. A dress can be a t-shirt or a plazo or a pants or a formal shirt or kameez or maybe, trousers and also blazer. This is a blazer. What is this?
Blazer.
Perfect. And this is
Bag.
bag. And this is
Blue car.
blue car. Tomorrow we will color this also. Okay. What is this color?
Orange color.
Orange color. Perfect. And this is,
Big orange.
yeah, orange. Yes, oranges are available in the market. You can buy orange tomorrow. Fine. And what is this?
Baba, orange market. This orange color, green color, like it's not here.
Orange color is not in the market?
Yeah.
No, there is orange color in the market.
Green colors, what do not get? But this is the green color. But this is
Okay, I got it. वो मौसमी होते हैं ना आजकल उनको कह रही है कि green color. I got it. Green color oranges are available in the market, but orange color oranges are not. They will come after 3 months. In February and March, orange color oranges will be available, and they are very yummy. You like them?
now ice cream orange, not flavor here.
Ice cream orange flavor not here?
Yeah.
I think there was orange color. I don't remember though.
Oh, this orange.
You want to eat orange color ice cream?
Oh,
Yeah, we can try some other shop. Perfect. But that's between you and me, okay? No, mommy. You don't tell mommy that we are going to eat ice cream, okay?
Mama, I'll eat mango.
You want to eat mango? Mangoes are also not available this time of the year.
Baba,
Mm-hmm.
Baba,
Yeah.
let's go and market ice cream flavor banana. But ice cream banana is here.
You don't remember? Yesterday we decided that it's not banana, it's banana. You say it. Banana.
Banana ice cream.
No, banana. Let's break it.
No, banana.
It's not banana, John. It's a banana.
Banana.
No, again wrong. Na. It's the na sound, not the na. Banana.
Banana.
Perfect.
Baba,
Yeah,
banana.
that's like a good
Baba,
girl.
Banana is what?
You said banana again, John. Come on.
Baba, banana.
No, banana.
Banana.
No, not even.
Banana.
Yes.
Oh, banana.
Okay.
and ice cream it.
Okay.
Oh, so
So
Baba.
it's decided that we are going to the ice cream bar tomorrow.
And the nice yellow color flavor is here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You want to eat yellow color? Perfect. Yes. Okay. You want the ice cream in the cup or in the waffle cone?
waffle cones.
Okay. Got it. Now let's go to the next page. What color is this?
Baba buy grapes.
No. What color is this?
Green.
Green. Okay.
Baba
And
buy grapes.
yeah, grapes. And what is this?
Baba buy a parrot.
Parrot. And what
Baba
is?
buy a parrot.
You want to buy a parrot? Okay.
Baba let me parrot in a home.
Let's make a parrot in home. So you mean you want to keep a pet?
Hmm.
But then you will have to be very responsible, girl. Can you feed the parrot every day and play with it? Will you do that? Okay, we can think of it. But you will have to take permission from mama.
Baba.
You will have to take permission from mama that you want to keep a pet.
Baba.
Yeah.
Mama said no.
Mama says no? Yeah, I remember. 3 months ago when you said that you want to keep a pet, you want to keep a cat, and mama said no to that. You remember? What do we do with such mama? She's so
Baba
Mama
let,
is
Baba let buy toys parrot.
let's buy toys parrot. We can do that. Yes. Yes, we can buy a parrot at least. Perfect. John, should we sleep now, please? Baba is tired.
No.
Please.
Baba said.
You are sad? What, you want to study more? Okay. Green is done. And what is this done? Transport.
Baba.
Transport are the things that help us travel from one place to another.
Look.
No. First we will come here. Okay, so transport. You understand, John?
Baba,
Transport.
Baba.
Yes.
Baba, we should not understand. Baba.
Michelle does not understand. Okay, let me explain to you. Transport are the kind of vehicles. We sit in them and then we travel from one place to another. You know, we have a bike. So we sit on the bike and we go to Nano House, we go to the ice cream bar, we go to Savor Foods, we roam about on the roads, remember? So bikes takes, and we also go to the park. So bike takes us from our home to the
Baba,
park.
Baba.
Uh-huh.
Mama not putting Baba,
Uh-huh.
I never put my Michelle in the do makeup and what else in the park. It's gonna work in my dress.
Okay.
Let's make with a big dress, small dress, put Michelle and
Uh-huh.
and shoes and the door camp
Uh-huh.
and put pen and put dress
Mm-hmm.
and put my shoes
Mm-hmm.
and fit it and I climb a park in the slide.
Okay.
And tomorrow.
Tomorrow, fine. I got it. Yes. Now, do you come here? Come here. Now, do you understand the transport? So, a car is a transport. Rail is a transport. Aeroplane is a transport. This is auto.
Baba, we shall go in the car in another house.
Okay. So now you tell me, what are the means of transportation? What is this?
Outlet.
Perfect. And this?
Car.
And this?
Bike.
Okay. And this?
Train.
No. Bus.
Bus.
And this?
I understand.
You don't understand? It's a rickshaw.
Rickshaw.
And this?
Bike.
Okay. And this?
Train.
Van.
Van.
And this?
Train.
Perfect. And this?
A boat.
See, you know all the transportation. Great. Next page. Yeah, you are so good. Okay, now these people who help us. So these are the people who help us.
First this.
Okay, who is this?
Uncle, what is the doo-doo?
Yeah, Dudu. We call him the milkman. He's taking milk from the cow. You know, like Ali Heather brings Dudu for you. You remember?
Are you ever putting the doo-doo in cow?
Yes, he takes the dudu from the cow and then he puts the milk into the bottles and he freezes the milk and then he brings it to our home.
Break the toothfish.
Yes, so Ali Haider is a milkman, kind of.
And
Okay,
Put
yeah.
Michelle drink milk in the cow.
Yes, you drink the cow milk. Yes, perfect. Okay, so you understand the milkman? Next one is, who is this?
Girl.
The person who stitches the dresses. We call him a tailor. What?
Boy is taking the dress.
Yes, he is measuring the dress, then he will stitch it, and then it will be cloth, wearable cloth.
This.
So we call him a tailor. You say, John. It's a tailor.
It's Taylor.
Perfect. And who is this?
Police.
Policeman. Perfect. Great, John. Okay, and the next one, who is this? Do you know? Great, teacher. Yes. And who is this?
Doctor.
Oh, you know this. Come on, give me your hand. Okay, and the last one is?
Market.
No, it's a fruit seller.
Again.
Okay, who is this?
Food seller.
Perfect. Great. Okay, next. Oh, yes. Again, the activity. You have to, connect the pictures with the relative, objects. So this was a milkman. So we just connected it to the milk. And who is this, John? Who is this? Yes, great. Doctor with this thing. We call it telescope. What do we call it? Yes. Okay. And who is this? Teacher. And teacher will be connected to the blackboard. Great. Okay, the last one. This is a tailor. And a tailor has the scissors. Come on. Great.
I saw this.
Yes, this is already done, but you can do it. Perfect, John. Come on. Okay, the next one is now technology at home. These are the things related to the technology. Can you?
Michelle can do that.
You, Michelle, can do that? That's great. Okay, let me see if she can do that. You name the object. What is this? Fan. Great. And this? What is this? Tube light.
Tube light.
And what is this?
TV.
Great. And this?
Like, look what it is.
Mama has this thing. We have this thing. But Mama stitches the dresses with this. We call it the sewing machine.
Read machine.
No. Sewing.
Don't let them break.
Okay. Sewing
Sewing
machine.
machine.
Sewing machine.
Reading machine.
No, it's wrong. Sewing.
Sewing.
Sewing
Swing.
machine.
Machine.
Great. Okay, what is this?
Phone.
Phone. And what is this?
Mama, you have phone?
Yes, I have a phone. Mama has a phone. And what is this?
TV.
No, John, it's not a TV.
But what is that?
It begins with the K.
Oh, car.
Yes. Can you know this? Can you
Mama?
name this?
Mama,
Computer.
Mama. Computer.
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 Great. And what is this, John?
Phone.
Telephone. Okay,
Telephone.
great. And this? We have it at home. Iron.
I did.
And this?
Photo.
Yes, photo camera.
Photo camera.
Okay, and what is this?
Fridge. Mama, we have fridge.
Yes, we also have fridge. And what is this?
We have also.
Yes, we also have this vacuum cleaner.
We have vacuum cleaner.
No. Vacuum.
Vacuum.
Oh, let's break it.
Vacuum.
Vacuum. Now say it. Vacuum
Vacuum
cleaner.
cleaner.
Perfect. Great. And the last one, what is this? We also have this, but Mama doesn't use it. It's a grinder.
Grinder.
Okay. We have finished the book, John, in 2 days. That is so good. Okay.
Next day.
These are the... Okay, enough. John, let's sleep now.